Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. So we are going to discuss about Veritone INC and the ticker symbol is VERI. Now this is the overall price chart and the stock is ready to move higher. It has already started moving higher, as one can clearly see. A big price recovery is going on or has already been started over here. Now what to expect moving forward for VERI is the next big question, and what we need to do is we just need to follow the levels or the range. So as far as VERI stock is concerned, the levels which this particular stock has already crossed are your support and stop loss. So we are going to have our support at 3.7, then next support at 2.12, and then we have stop loss at 1.25, and the stock has already crossed 5.84, so this is now going to be your very immediate support. So all the major important levels which this particular stock has already been crossed are your important support levels. So make sure that the stock is not falling below the levels which it has already crossed. Now because Veritone is trading and sustaining above 5.85, that's why the next two immediate targets which are currently active are 10.3 and 11.3. After 11.3 we will go for the next phase of the recovery, and the levels which will become active after 11.3 starts with 20, we have 38, and the stock can even expand or extend up to 52. So these are all the levels which are currently active, but one after the another. So here we just need to follow this range because this overall range is active and you have to stay within this range. If you want to go beyond 52 or more, then that requires further breakout, and only if there is a breakout beyond 52, then we can go for the next part, because a fresh uptrend will start after 52. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.